Now this is a decently long problem. -3, 5/6 plus 1 and 1/10. Now they're different signs. They're already an addition problem, so we don't have to change it to addition. But just like with our large numbers, we have to take the sign of the larger absolute value number, which in this case is -3 and 5/6, and that's going to be part of our answer. So I will just write that right here. And once that we've done that, now we don't really need to worry about the negative sign. We need to just realize that it's going to be a subtraction problem, and with the negative in the answer, as though they were positive. So it'll just be 3 and 5/6 minus 1 and 1/10. Okay, now we're getting a little bit more into familiar territory, so we need to change them into improper fractions before we can do anything else. So 6 times 3 is going to make 18. 18 plus 5 is going to make 23. So we have 23 over 6 minus 1 times 10 is going to make 10, plus 1 makes 11. Now we have to find the least common denominator, which I could usually start writing out multiples, but I know that the least common denominator in this case is going to be 30 if I had written it out. So we need to get this over 30, so we'll have to multiply it by 5. We'll have to multiply this by 5 as well. So we end up with, I'll do the bottom first. 30 on the bottom, and then I'll write out the other one too. 30 on the bottom as well. That's our goal. So 5 times 23. Let me see. 3 times 5 is going to make 15. 20 times 5 is going to make 100. So we have 115 over 30. And then this is going to have to be multiplied by 3. I wrote a 3, did not turn into a 3. This also has to be multiplied by 3. So 11 times 3 is quite a bit easier. 33 over 30. Now we just have to subtract 115 minus 33. So subtract 15 from this, we have 18. 100 minus 18 is going to make 82. So we end up with 82. I'll write it right here still. 82 over 30. And we have to reduce that to a mixed number. So 30 is going to go into 82 2 times. And don't forget we had this negative here. 2 times. We'll keep the bottom. At least we'll see. It's going to go in 2 times, and it's going to have 22 left over. We divide both by 2 to make 11 over 15. There we go.